control to Major Tom. Take your protein pills and put your helmet on. Ground control to Major Tom. Commencing countdown, engines on. Check ignition and may God's love be with you. This is ground control to Major Tom. You've really made the grade, and the papers want to know whose shirt you wear. Now it's time to leave the capsule if you dare. This is Major Tom to ground control. I'm stepping through the door, and I'm floating in a most peculiar way, and the stars look very different today. For here am I sitting in a tin can, far above the world. Planet Earth is blue, and there's nothing I can do. Though I'm past 100,000 miles, I'm feeling very still, and I think my spaceship knows which way to go. Tell my wife I love her very much. She knows. Ground control to Major Tom, your circuit's dead. There's something wrong. Can you hear me, Major Tom? Can you hear me, Major Tom?
Signore e signori,
Can you hear me, Major Tom?
L'angelo del Carnevale di Venezia 2019, Erika Chia!
Con the Angel of the Carnival, Erika Chia.
Ci ha lasciato tutti senza parole questa discesa dal
Ecco
campanile.
Erika che viene presentata alla piazza dal Doge come da tradizione.
Allora,
Grazie a Red Bull, grazie a Stefano Nicolao dell'Atelier Nicolao e grazie all'Hair Stylist e Make Up di Monica e Umberto che hanno fatto questo spettacolo sulle note di David Bowie, un grandissimo della musica che andava giustamente omaggiato. Il nostro Angelo è atterrato.
Piazza, fate sentire il vostro saluto al nostro Angelo.